Okay, we on. You ready to eat? Eat. Hello. Hey. I'm Siani's I'm Siani's I'm Siani's sister. It's C. It's C. Why did you say my name? Show me your food. Oh, we gotta show my food? Oh. Yeah, I copied off her. What we get? Food. Alright, well, you do that.
That's what I got.
Okay, I got lo mein and General Tso's chicken. And that's what she got. My brother.
I got fried chicken and rice with shrimp.
I need some duck sauce though. I need your sauce.
Can you? Is this
Alright, so. Today, we're gonna be answering some questions. We mukbanging. Mukbang. Why I get the thing? I get the text message now. You know what? That's because your phone. I also have. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I'm gonna keep saying this in every video.
Oh Jesus!
We can edit this, right?
Can these be bloopers? We done messed up like 5 times already.
No, we didn't. You're the only one that messed up. Your breath is messing it up, fogging up that camera like that.
Yo, Tim is making the viewers just.
I'm hungry, so if I don't answer no questions, I'm hungry as hell. I'm hungry. Now you're talking about your food. Okay. Hell!
You won't get demonetized, yeah.
I'm trying to. Dope. Okay. Where you want to go on your first vacation? Like.
Like Vegas.
I'm gonna go to. I really want to go to Italy. Italy? Yeah. I heard it's expensive there. I'm an expensive house. Yes, ain't no cheap. Where do I want to go?
Jesus.
Where you want to go?
I said Vegas.
I just want to go. A lot of places.
Well.
Okay. I'm trying to find a good question. Alright, well, if y'all ain't noticed, we trying to have some conversation, ask some questions and stuff while we going. Yeah, we had to look up some questions because we wasn't helping each other. Yeah. You can't find no conversation. What you supposed to have while you? What kind of conversation you supposed to have while you eating?
I was asking questions.
I don't want to talk. I'm trying to. If this was nighttime, I feel like I'll be a good conversationalist because my mind be wandering. Okay.
Let's do an ASMR next time.
I'm glad you can edit this because I'm having a hard time looking up these questions. You want me to do something? Yeah, I can't find nothing. I want to. My nephew at the corner, so that's why she can't. Yeah. They say, Mommy, what's something not too many people know about you? For people who are watching this, if you know me, then you know. I ain't saying what y'all don't know about me because y'all don't need to know that yet. I ain't even hit the freaking explore page yet. It's like, nah. What's something not too many people know about you?
Wait. Do this one, the loud one.
What's a fork? You gotta use a fork. Well, everybody know who I am. Now, people in school, they don't know. They ain't seen the fool me, you know. People don't know that I'm actually a nice person. She's a lie. I really am. She's a criminal. Oh, and for those who do know, in school this is Moya, okay? Hide your purses, hide your man, hide everything. No, don't be doing me like that. It's like, no. What's not? Hide your wife. How about that? Oh, ooh. Hide them staff members in school.
I'm nice, but I can be mean sometimes. Okay. What makes you laugh out loud?
Oh, I got tea too. Green tea. Yeah. I got pure.
What makes you LOL? Laugh out loud.
These nuts.
Got him. Got him.
What makes me LOL? Wait, I
Just
just talking about
people
what
being
makes
themselves, silly people. I like silly stuff.
everything funny to me.
First of all, why
So
they?
I don't know.
I just want y'all to know I asked for shrimp lo mein.
Not
Not regular lo mein.
That's because mommy ordered it. She told us because
Oh,
she
no.
like plain lo mein. So,
No.
oh, mommy, when you see this, you got the wrong lo mein. Let me fix my neck before she fix it. Fuck me.
One thing that makes me laugh.
Who do you text the most?
Your mama.
Your wife. That's who I text the
No.
most. Oh, good.
Oh, my mom. I always text my mom the most.
We
But especially my sister. That one over there.
So now I be in
The
group
one with the
chat.
afro.
Oh, this is Carl, Sonny.
No,
I text my baby Zeddy.
I be in group chat with my friends. That's the gang, that's the squad. What was you thinking?
Yeah, but she leave me on red.
My bad. I'll be busy. What's your favorite TV show? I really don't have a favorite TV show.
The
I
adult
like-
channel, Adult Swim.
I like Raven's
I gotta
Home
stop.
and That's So Raven.
No, you don't.
Censored.
I don't have a favorite TV
I
show.
got like 3 of them.
I'm
but
lying. I
two
like
of them are
Scandal
old,
because they
so-
in there.
I got.
That's
I
not
like
my
That's
favorite.
So Raven, Bill Cosby Show, and Raven's Home. But the one that I love the most is Bill Cosby.
Bill Cosby, he's still on TV.
Hey, he dead.
No.
He not dead. He locked up.
See,
They don't let him
when you
out.
go to jail, people forget about you, honey.
Listen.
No, I like
See,
reality
I haven't
television
touched
with
my
they
chicken
fake
in a
ass
while.
drama.
I like
I like all
everything.
stuff. I like an ID channel. Yeah, gotta like the ID channel.
I was about to say, ooh, booty. That's you.
Yeah.
What is something you're obsessed with?
Mommy.
Moya, what's something I'm obsessed with?
Let me tell you.
I'm obsessed with
I'm
being on my
obsessed
phone
with
because
intelligent people.
Is this some more duck sauce? That's what I'm obsessed with. My food dry as shit.
No, I don't know. I did up having like a thing for words. That's what I'm obsessed with.
Was
Words.
you sucking on this pack? Why it's wet?
I was trying to
That's
bring it up.
nice. Something nice.
That's what I'm obsessed with.
The
What am I
things
obsessed with?
I'm
Oh,
obsessed
books.
with-
I like to read. We never even read that book too. We supposed to
I
read
know,
it
it's right there.
together.
The things I'm obsessed with is my phone, people who know things that they never looked up, okay? I don't like regular dumb people. I like
Oh, you
smart
like
dumb
intelligent.
people. I like smart dumb
Intelligence is
people.
sexy. She said I like smart dumb
That's
people.
why I looked. I'm like, wait, what?
And I like smart people.
Intelligence is so sexy. If you're
I'm obsessed with
intelligent,
this face here. You do my chunky bunky.
if you're intelligent, then you know, because I told you, you got some type
If
of.
you're intelligent and special, you're the one. You're
And
the
that's
real
not
one.
always
You're the
sexual.
real one.
Sexy
I'm
is not
obsessed
always
with food, to be honest with you. Everybody know. Anybody that know more, you know, I love me some food, honey.
But the only two things
I'm obsessed with Sienna.
Oh, we know that. And shout out to us. What's her name?
Moya, beat. She trying to get me caught up.
Alright.
Caught up. You know,
The most thing I'm obsessed with is
Got
the
me
phone.
feeling it.
That's it.
Caught up. I don't know what it is, but you got me twisted. Oh, caught up. Oh. Yeah.
You about to fall off.
What do you do?
I was looking for him. Where you go?
Oh, he disappeared, girl.
Oh, damn, I was about to say
I had to
Oh, yeah.
go real quick.
What do you do when you hang out with your friends?
Well, I don't have it.
Well, my friend's not on here. we're gonna do a different video because
Well, I
they're
don't
gonna
have
explain who
friends anymore.
C is.
They,
We drink a
they
lot.
my school friends, but
That's
I don't
what I
have no
do.
friends
Y'all
anymore,
making me
so
thirsty.
I can't answer that question. So, the only friends I hang with is my sister
Anything
and my
is
sister
possible.
and my mom. Those are my friends. My sister, and my
Do you
mom.
prefer Being active or relaxed?
Relaxed.
If I had to choose, active.
Yeah.
Because I would say relax, but then I'm going to get bored. So
Yeah, I think
let's just keep it
active.
moving.
And when I'm bored, it's not good. Take two.
The camera got bored.
Wait, I'm about to say. It's not good when I'm bored. It's really, oh my God, did I get food?
How you get soy sauce on the camp? I knew I smelled something.
Oh my God,
You
your
gonna
phone,
get demonetized. Jesus.
your phone locked. When I get bored, it's really not good. It's good, but it's bad because
I would like to be relaxed, but
It's just not.
when I'm relaxed,
She's very entertaining when she's bored. Don't let Sienna.
when I'm relaxed,
don't let me
I
get
talk
I will
to
wreck your
myself.
nerves. I promise you, I will wreck your nerves. I'll get on your nerves. I'll probably fix your nerves.
I want to be relaxed.
That sound nasty.
because-
If I sound nasty in this video, I'm sorry.
I want to be
it.
relaxed
mean
because
exactly
when I'm
what she
relaxed,
saying.
I'm really
Oh,
bored.
God.
I talk to myself when I'm really relaxed. So if
talk
I'm
to yourself.
relaxed, I'm not talking to myself, but I'm relaxed.
0550. Now I got to change my
Oh
name.
my God, probably watching this.
Oh, I'm definitely changing my name.
That's your pen.
Wait, where'd they go? Oh. He's going to rewind that 10 times. Yo, what?
05. Girl, you get my number. Domino's.
Yeah, domino.
Pizza Hut. Chinese.
That's a shame.
Alright. This is not from the phone, but
What are 3 words that best describe you? Wait, my face hurt. I ain't even eating my food.
Excuse me.
this is not from the phone. But what is your favorite pizza place?
Domino's.
Old London.
I gotta have a taste.
That's
of
across
pizza.
the street from our house. Old London. That's my favorite pizza.
Yeah, me too.
I can't just eat pizza just to eat it.
Well, you know Ab loves pizza. Oh, God. That nigga eats pizza every day.
What are 3 words that best describe you? Can y'all describe
Big
me?
ass joke.
Zach, what's 3 words that describe me?
Smart, intelligent, and wondrous.
My heart.
Wondrous. We'll have to look that one up.
Wonders.
See, I just made that up.
3 words, I would say loyal, intelligent, and psychopathic.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Why you know psychopathic?
Moya, why you have to do that every time? You like intelligent.
I don't even know. I was doing that. I'm good.
We gotta get together. We gotta go shopping.
I dropped my fork.
I got no fork.
Who needs forks anyway?
Okay, listen.
Here.
Humans need batteries because clearly they don't work.
You the
but
bomb.
That's another video.
Huh?
I said humans need batteries because some people act like they don't work.
Yeah, right. We're not gonna get on that.
What's your favorite way to waste time?
Come here.
Just run around, play, be on my phone. That's nothing. Just nothing. Alright, y'all go.
Favorite way to waste time? Music. Music makers. You control that bounce. Oh my God, my shirt is gone.
Back at it again. Why would you wear white to a MukBang?
Because I got that all white when I'm feeling godly. Y'all can't even see.
Hold up.
Sammy, did we ask
You
you
sure
questions?
saying my hood love me. Want you don't even know me. I've been on my mind since they killed my cousin. Free my cousin down and he just caught. Oh, you just love me, can't get it off me.
I'm ripping
And right
braids
with my
out.
number, he won't
I'm
stop
gonna ask you
calling.
questions.
What question you trying to? You ain't even eating your food. Look at this. Look at this.
I didn't eat.
I
I'm
just
talking
said
about her. She got a
Then
whole
we
shirt.
answered number 8.
Do it look like I get a man? Nobody take me serious when I say that. What's the most useful thing you use?
You own.
Me
My
and Moira
vibrator.
just-
You own, not you.
No, the most useful thing. Well, that's for everybody. Your phone. Duh.
The most useful.
Right?
The most useful thing that I
My
own
hands.
is my dad's wallet. It's
I
special to
feel
me.
you. That's a heartfelt moment right there.
It brings me back memories. Okay. Don't
Most
come for me.
useful thing. Most useful thing I use.
Is them fingers she got in her mouth.
Yo, this is so nasty. I promise you, this is not the real us.
We're lying to them people. They gotta get to know.
Why you gonna get demonetized?
Don't be bringing them spirits up in here.
It's not a spirit.
I rebuke.
If you say
What is
something
the
that's
most
on
popular
YouTube-
thing that annoys you? Music. Oh my God. Music. Today's music annoys me. I can't stand that music. It's just like.
I like today's music, but not all them other
What's
ones.
that
Say the
song?
question
Music.
again.
Nick. Oh, Nick.
Huh?
What's the most? Oh shoot.
I like
What is
today's
something
music,
that annoys
but
you? That's popular, basically.
today's music I like it, but I don't like the ones that mumble. They
What's
like
the song you just yay, yay, that was the man, no, thought I smell, come on, yay,
Today's
yay,
music is trash. Big thumbs down.
trash.
I like the underdogs. We like
I
the
don't like the
underdogs.
ones that I don't like the ones that mumble, but I like today's music. Some of it.
Yeah, we know because you listen to that song about black people. What's the worst thing about work or school? I'm out of school. I graduated, bitch.
The worst thing
I'm so
about
ratchet.
work is
The-
clocking in.
The worst thing about
Right now.
school is
It depends, because my old job, I like clocking in. Okay? But now this job,
the worst thing when I go into school is when somebody do something and then I get in trouble for it. I don't just say I did it. And the teacher be
I
like,
don't even say I did it. I just get caught.
and I be doing my work. Then the teacher be calling me
Can't
over
even
there.
laugh at the same
Like,
time.
they get on my nerves.
What would be your perfect weekend?
The what?
The perfect weekend for you. What is,
It's
what does
this
it
one
consist
person,
of?
and I don't want to be like,
Rainbow, that's his name. Her name,
go
whatever.
off. This is one person I really want to just borrow
The whole weekend?
the whole weekend. I just want to borrow them.
Shout out to you.
And if I told you this, it might not be about you because I told like 3 people this. No.
Shout out to y'all.
Shout out to y'all. All 3 of y'all.
That's a mess.
We can all be up in
The one
there.
thing I want to use
Like now.
for a week
We go.
is
Your first is one person because they vibe. Oh God.
the one thing I want to use for a week
Makes
is
me
like
cry.
what's it called? A water park ticket for a whole week. Just
My
have fun.
perfect weekend.
How much you want to bet when I get done this video? They gonna be like, oh, it's me. Like, yeah.
Not after this. I hope you stop that shit out, honey. Lord have mercy. She gonna have a lot of making up to do. My perfect weekend would be sleep, adventure parks, hella margaritas. Even when I'm sleeping, give me a margarita, honey. Wake me up for that margarita. You know, a little 420 vibe. If you know, you know.
Excuse me. Say now, my perfect weekend for real
Adventure
is with these people
Sleep.
because I get to be myself.
Oh, don't get me started.
It's like, nah. What's another one? Why your phone keep blocking? What's the password? 0550. Is that it for real? So I just remember. Oh, yay.
That's what.
I need something easy because I forget a lot. Gotta be like you
What's that? What that mean?
at that Apple store and shit.
Moya.
When's the last time you worked incredibly hard?
This is Is this a dirty mukbang? Because everything we say sounds nasty.
And then we're not even meaning to. It's not even. All right.
It's genetic.
Last time I worked really, really hard.
Was last night.
I wish.
No, mine was last night. My foot was hurting. I caught a.
Oh, yeah, you did go to work last night. I forgot. My mind is already. I don't even remember.
I caught a cramp.
The hardest thing I did was a test.
Damn, it's been that long.
I feel bad for you.
One of the tests, they said they was gonna give us a cheat sheet, but they didn't.
So you had to work really hard. Who was your oldest friend? And where did you meet them? The oldest buddy I got is
My
36. And if you know that person,
that is not the oldest friend. Not in age, Siani. The oldest friend meaning how long you knew them.
My BBF was my baseball best
my
friend.
buddy.
We met at baseball. We was friends. Then we met each other, and then we was friends for a year. So then he was my BBF, baseball best friend, and now we
I had
don't
to
see
think
each
like
other.
BBF, BBW, BBD.
That was a movie.
But now we don't see each other. So
Wait, oh,
I always want to
I'm
see
stepping
him
to be
again.
watching this. Wait, I'm just thinking of letters.
We'll know.
Well, no.
And his dad, when we got an award, we used to go to his dad pizza place. That was the best pizza place.
This is actually a good one. We won't be nasty. Well, I wasn't being nasty, but if you opened a business, what kind of business would it be? I don't know. I never really thought
Obviously,
about.
something that would sell a funeral home. We all gonna die. People gonna keep dying. We need funeral homes.
Well,
Maybe it's a funeral home.
I
A
want
clothing line,
to
because I like to be creative. You can always be creative with fashion and clothing.
I want a business that like sells clothes for men and women and art.
What about you?
I like to write, but I wouldn't sell that.
So it's like three things in one.
So
It's
you want a
like two
bookstore?
things in one.
Ooh, but
Because I'm gonna sell clothes and art.
I never thought about owning my own business, but I do want to help this one person with their business. I'm mad I can't say names. I can say names, but
Can you?
I don't want
make up a
y'all to
name?
think that I'm eyeing y'all.
Can you make up a name?
I'm eyeing y'all. You know my eyes be on y'all.
Sienna,
Don't
make up a
hurt
name.
yourself, because my eyes will be removed real quick.
Make up a name. Just make up a
And
name.
Sienna gonna come. Sienna gonna be like, oh my God. Cut that nigga off and don't get comfortable. Look. No.
I'm dance now. I make money.
Are you a very organized person?
No.
They not. I am.
This is the criminal we're talking about.
First of all, stop telling people that kind of stuff. I'm not a criminal. I think my record is clean now.
Well, sometimes I'm a clean person.
Y'all keep thinking.
I am an organized person.
If y'all see my room, y'all will pass
Yes, I
out.
am.
I'm organized, but my life right now is not organized.
Siani is unorganized.
Right now.
But she is organized in her unorganized. You know what I mean. Shit.
I don't feel like being intelligent right now, so I get you. FedEx. You know, I thought about.
I didn't get that
Hey, what's that movie? Cheaper by a dozen. Here's a nice move, FedEx.
What is the strangest dream you ever had? Yo, them dreams when you know them dreams
The
when
way
you
you
be
were falling.
But I just had one the other night. I'm not lying. I had one the other night. I was falling off of a balcony. Not falling off of a balcony, but I came out on the balcony and it just dropped. But it was like it took like 10 minutes to drop. It was crazy.
That's them spirits. That's them spirits.
The
What that
one,
mean? I'm about to fall soon? I'm a trick. I gotta watch
the
it.
one I was
We
so
fall
scared
down.
of, I almost cried. I almost cried away.
Church hands.
I had a dream that my sister and my mom was at the army. My sister.
Oh, this could be our thumbnail. Hold on.
You know what this word means?
Didn't you just say this word earlier?
I had
Y'all know
a
what I
dream
mean.
that my sister and my mom they was working at an army, and then like 3 days later they got shot
The
by
strangest dream I had. I don't have strange dreams.
by one of their teammates.
Every
It
dream
was
that
by accident, and I got scared, so I woke up real quick.
every dream that I ever had, I feel like whether that person was supposed to be in that dream or not, I feel like it was good for me. Bad or good. No, I don't know. I'm lying. Take that back. I don't like them dreams where you about to fall because I be really like, I wake up, I be like,
You look like that dude up. Get out.
I really
There's
do
something
like that.
Who in your life brings you the most joy?
Joy and pain,
Sunshine.
and rain. Joy and pain.
Oh Jesus!
Rain. Second
My
Okay.
Everybody
Well,
in my
one
life
person-
brings me joy.
One person that I like, everybody makes me joy in my family. Gives me joy in my family, but the one person that gives me joy is my mom.
Why you lying?
Jesus.
Shout out to Mom. Tiff. I'm a psycho. What's the next one?
Have you ever spoken in front of a large group of people? How did you go? Yeah, when I did the spelling bee.
I like words and I never did a spelling bee.
No.
But I always did good on my tests. I always got hundreds. Like Akila in the bee. Did you study? Nope. She got her test, but she got 100. That was always me in spelling tests because I was just like, I wanted to be a class clown to be honest. And I was. But
it was this one person that was talking about me, and then I was talking to myself about them, and then it was people around me, so I had to talk low. I was talking to myself, I had to talk low, and then when they got all around me, like a lot of people walking, I had to talk under the table. I was still sitting on the bench, but I was ducking.
oh, who was your favorite? Did we do that one? Oh, we didn't say music. Who is your favorite entertainer, comedian, musician, actor? My favorite. Oh my God, music, instruments is everything.
I hope you bleep those out, because that's crazy.
I'm not. I'm so.
It's a mood.
What is it? What's the question? I have to answer a couple questions.
Who is your favorite entertainer? Comedian, musician, actor, etc.
I like comedians because Kevin Hart is the funniest.
My favorite actress is Taraji.
Some crazy ass eyebrows. We love you,
The
girl.
eyebrows. Oh
And-
my God.
And I like that she keep her crazy ass eyebrows. She don't go get them fixed to make them look like everybody fucking else. She keep them pointy things. You go, girl. We in
Favorite
that.
actress. Music. I like her.
What's your favorite
I like
artist?
Lauryn Hill, J. Cole,
I
Kendrick.
like that girl, Sticky Vicky.
What?
Ooh, Vicky. So
I got a question. What is your favorite artist?
I got a couple of them,
like
but those
music
are-
Come on
artist?
now, you're not about to be playing in my food.
What is your favorite music artist?
I just named mine. Comedian, me.
Damn.
I'm not talking about this though.
It's my favorite comedian
Right
too.
now.
Look at all these fuzz guys.
Get out of here. Oh, well, that's all the questions. That's all of
Do you think the earth is round or flat?
Round.
My world is a circle.
It's circular. I mean,
You know, it's a circle. I'm saying shape.
would you rather? Okay, here you go with the would you rather questions. Would you rather?
This video is started.
Would you rather drink throw up for
I'm eating.
$100 million, or lick somebody's toe for $10 billion?
Who got cold?
Lick somebody's toe for $10 billion.
I'm so confused.
Listen, whoever got $10 million to give me, I'll lick your toe. Yes, I will lick your toe.
I'll do it for $10.
You dirty!
Here we go.
Oh my God! You ain't said nothing. We saved it.
Alright. You asked her would you rather question, Siani.
Would you rather? Oh, I think I tweeted this before. Follow me at HC baby. Would you rather? I think I said. Would you rather be aware of your mental health or of your spiritual awareness?
What is that?
You know how they say like our spiritual life, like in the spirit, or would you rather be aware of your mental health? This video gonna be long.
Mental health.
Spiritual?
Why?
Why
What
spiritual?
What? You're not gonna be. No, you drink all your juice. You're not gonna drink mine. All right. Have a good day.
Okay.
Stop, Mom.
Would
Oh
you,
my gosh, back at it again.
would you rather
I'm tired of taking care of your kids.
lick a toilet for
You ain't even answer my question. You said spiritual. Excuse me. Why spiritual? Why not mental?
Because I want to be in touch with my higher self. This is just my physical being. You feel me?
I'll go mental, but I will go with mental, but I don't really.
I think I chose spiritual health. Spiritual.
Yeah, I will go with
too.
my older.
I think because I believe your spirit is intact with your soul.
I will go.
Your
with
spiritual
Speak
My
it,
sister right here.
evangelist. Speak it.
being is your soul. That's
Would
you.
you rather?
Okay, that's you.
That's you, girl.
That's you.
You, boy.
You.
You watching this right here? That's you right there. That's
You
you.
right here.
Mhm.
Don't pause this video and
You
say
right
it's
there.
me.
It's me.
It's me.
It's me.
It's you.
It's you.
It's
Would you
you.
rather
It's
question?
us.
That's a shame. She
Um,
said, pause this video, say it's me. I felt that. I was like, it's me. It's me.
that's why I was like, me. Speak it over your life.
Yes.
Speak it in existence.
Amen.
Listen, y'all playing, y'all about to change. I'm about to. Woo-hoo.
Thank God for these news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. My stomach
Alright.
hurt.
Are you gonna get any tattoos? Huh? You can get twist out my general toast.
My head.
And
I'm getting
would you
hot.
rather swim in a pool of soap or a pool of throw up?
Why do you keep talking about throw up?
Yeah.
That's probably why I don't want my
he must be craving some throw
That's
up.
why I don't want my food no more, because he done messed it all up.
Listen.
If you had one person to discover, who would it be?
Rosa Parks.
What's his name?
You
That's
gotta
a
be
lie.
from the dead.
Tupac.
If we could.
Kiara Shear.
That's a good one.
Tupac.
I love Kiara Shear.
'Cause I don't.
Not just her beauty, but her.
But see,
Who's Vicky?
That's a mess.
Why? Get out my phone! Gee!
Vicky text.
Right. It's gonna be in the video, Maya. So,
I forgot what I was about to say.
would you rather?
Oh no.
Would you rather swim in a pool of
Zeph, my stomach really hurt.
soap or swim in a pool of
You need to go upstairs and go swim in the pool of soap right now.
or swim in a pool of sharks?
This might just be the end because I'm having difficulty.
Bluebirds.
My stomach. You made my stomach hurt.
Well, I know y'all.
But again, this is Moya and this is Zeph. And I'm C.
See, baby.
What's my name?
Did he say I'm daddy?
I'm
Oh, I thought he said I'm daddy.
I'm daddy. Alright, these bloopers.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Make sure y'all hit that like button.
Like, comment, and
subscribe.
Because when I got that notifications, I was hurt.
Okay.
comment and subscribe while I'm coming to your house. Say now I'm joking.
I gotta get ready for work, so.
Like, comment, subscribe now. Not playing with you.
I seen the way you were just chewing that chicken. I'm looking like.
I'm trying to chew on your chicken.
Bye.